That boy Phil, you know what I'm saying? Hooked your boy up, man. He wanted to see me shine, man. But this is the actual subframe, you guys. It's a classy. From rags to riches. Man, I know I'm looking a little crazy, but listen, check it out. I'm looking a little crazy. I'm trying to let my hair grow. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm about to get a $100 haircut, man. Stay tuned for that episode. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never did that a day in my life, but my grandpappy put me on it. He been getting $100 haircuts. I was like, man, bro, maybe I do want the little charcoal. You know what I'm saying, man? You know, maybe draw my line right here, spray a little bit right there. Come on, y'all. I'm 52 years old, man. Like, I want my line back. But anywho's, I'm trying to catch my breath. I always do more talking than I should, you know what I'm talking about? So with that being, man, my back all dirty and stuff. But nonetheless, I'm about to reveal the 69 Firebird subframe. Check it out, man. Oh, yeah, there it is, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? No, I'm just playing. That right there is actually a G-body subframe. Right now, as you can see, the body is getting disconnected as we speak. Follow me. Follow me. So, shout out to my boy Phil Gomez, man. I know y'all probably tired of hearing his name, but I like saying his name. Anybody you know that I know, always say their full name. Eddie Bible, Phil Gomez, you know what I'm saying? I gotta say the whole thing, but check this out. Shout out to my boy Phil Gomez. Came off his 68. Hey. So you roll. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hey, listen to me. If you come to my shop, hold on, y'all. If you come to my shop, you don't get nothing but prayer if something happens. That's all you get. But this is the actual subframe, you guys. Hotchkiss, basically full suspension on this thing. Upper and lowers. I have bare. Look at that, man. Come on, y'all. That boy Phil, you know what I'm saying? Hooked your boy up, man. He wanted to see me shine, man. Got bare brakes. Global West subframe connectors. I also have I believe he said these are Hotchkiss leaf springs. I'm not sure. Also, look at the back though, you know what I'm saying? Exclusive. Come on, y'all. Shout out to my big cousin SSV, man. One more time, RIP. Love you, Brody. I'm about to get you all the way right, though. 69 Fire Chicken, a.k.a. Don't Touch My Chicken, a.k.a. The Phoenix, a.k.a. The Felix. You know what I'm saying? We got a 12-bolt, a little bit of 12-bolt action. I believe it has, don't get me wrong, man. I think he said 342s or 355s, something like that. I don't know. I have a couple engines, you guys. This is actually, y'all know I've been over here dreaming about this for a minute. I don't want to rotate it because I don't want to mess it up. But look, I got the whole suspension set up like it's supposed to be. I can't wait to get this thing on a car. But the wait is over. The wait is over. Got brake lines on it, all this stuff, whatever. But check it out. My boy Jeff Wheeler, I am going to be taking all this stuff off right here. As you can see, all the Hotchkiss suspension. I'm going to be taking all this off right now. I also have Hotchkiss upper shocks as well. Front shocks, not upper, front shocks. I'm going to be taking all that stuff off as well. That boy feel, man. And the only reason why I'm taking all that stuff off is because I am sponsored by Alden. Oh, I got the damn bolts. Oh, man, I'm so happy. It's so hard to find these pieces, man. These damn U-joint bolts. Good, man, that boy Phil did me right, man. Hey, you all right in my book. I don't care what they say about you, Phil. You all right in my book, brother. And then now, all this razzle-dazzle about to be going on. Shout out to Alden American. My boy Gary hooked me up, so that's about, I don't know, like $1,000 worth of suspension parts right there. But anywho's, I'm about to become a professional beggar, man. Y'all think I'm lying? Watch how fast I get this car built professionally begging. You know what I'm talking about? Like, subscribe, show love, hit the thumbs down. Only if your ugly ass is a bum. Hating is only love and jealousy at the same time. And get your paper. Because, man, messing with this Firebird, you know I got to get mine. These are the wheels right here. Ooh-wee. That's one of them right there that's been blasted. So everybody was like, oh, man, just get you a new set. It went from ashy to classy, from rags to riches. So I still have to separate this one, tear it down, take it to the machine shop, have them powder coated, and I got to do this to 4 more. So, I mean, all 4 of them. So stick around, stay tuned for that, man. Drop a fire and a chicken if you're rocking with this fire chicken content. I actually think this is actually going to be the last video I might post, because what I'm going to end up doing is I'm thinking on Friday I'm going to start doing, I see a couple fire, come on. All right, there we go. I think I'm going to start doing Firebird content on Friday only, and it's going to be called Firebird Friday. I've seen a couple guys with Pontiacs do it. There's not too many Firebirds out there, so we got to keep this thing, man. We got to keep this thing on lock. But let me get some of this because it looked too good. I got to get on some of this, man. I got to be a part of this, man. So, hey, let's make the Firebird great again. Ooh-wee, baby. LS Guru. YT, so what's happening with y'all, man? I didn't judge this thing, so it's on there, but it's on there, but barely. So I ain't gonna be underneath this thing too long. Pray for me. I ordered the Detroit Speed AC, basically the firewall delete plate. So all this stuff right here is gonna be coming off. Pray for me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Pray with me. All this crap is, damn, it looks pretty damn good underneath here. Other than this, I knew about this part right here. I knew about all this, maybe lighten the camera up just a little bit. I knew about all that stuff, so I'm not really too worried or too concerned about that. If this thing does follow me, I do have life insurance, so Mama Roo and all them gonna be all right. The kids gonna be all right there, the light right there. So, of course, all the lines is coming off, man. I hope you guys really enjoying this content, man. Hope you guys enjoying this content. Ooh, what's that up there? Oh, shit. I ain't talking all this. No, it's about to cut. All right, look, y'all, I can't hold this car up here for too long, man, because I messed up and I misjudged it, man. So, all this happened from the fire, bro. Oh. All right, look, y'all, let's make this quick, man, for real. Come on. This reminds me of the movie The Crow I used to watch as a kid. If you guys don't know what The Crow is, you got to check it out, man. We really don't have too much bad damage from the fire, so we're going to basically get started on this thing ASAP. This rear end, I'm not doing a 4-link on this thing or anything like that. I'm just going to replace these shocks here, and I'm going to just do some rear. Alden American actually sponsored me for the rear as well, so I'm going to be doing the rear coilovers as well. As far as engine, I don't know what I'm going with this thing. I have no idea on what I'm doing with this. I need to take all this stuff apart, man. Take all this crap apart and get busy. But that's basically it. I'm going to take a wheel under here, undercoat it, clean it up, and I mean, shoot, that's pretty much it. It's not even that bad up beneath there. I think that fire did the majority of this stuff, but it's good, huh? All right, so let me get my fine ass from beneath here. Y'all ain't heard me say that in a while. And I think I'm about to just throw the new frame on right now because I'm scared. I can't leave this thing up here like that. Peace.